welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? I am back today with a recipe from the Gudetama Cookbook. Yay! What are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making, boom, dozing off donuts. Oh my gosh. Okay, this isn't actually related to this. It's actually on the next page. Wow. Look at it. Oh my god, look at the little squish. So cute. Oh my gosh. All right, so we do have a little thing right over here, and we also have like something like right over here. So we're just making the glaze, and for the donuts, I'm not actually like making donuts. I'm making the donuts out of like biscuits. What? I didn't know you could do that, but I guess that makes sense. I never thought about being able to do that, but here we are. So we're gonna be making this. The recipe does call for black sesame seeds. I couldn't find them at the store, but I did have some sesame seeds. They're like white sesame seeds. I think it's fine. It should be fine, right? I don't know, but yeah, the recipe calls for that. And even in the picture, you can kind of tell, because it's for the glaze. So we're going to be making the glaze, and then we're going to be making the donuts. So it looks like the hardest part is going to be the glaze. Wow, okay. And let's see. And then there's this. It makes 8 servings and it's a medium. Okay. But that wouldn't be too bad. I don't know. I did try making donuts before, but I did make them from scratch and it did not work out well. They did not look pretty, and I don't even remember how they tasted. Honestly, I haven't even rewatched that video because it was so painful. But I guess here we are, attempt number 2 with donuts, but having it be a little bit easier this time. So let's see if it ends up like working out, I guess. I don't know. But let's see, what does it say on the top? When you're having the most blah day ever and you need something to lift your spirits, donuts are always the answer. Yeah, I'm right. They're sweet, they're consoling, they basically fulfill all your needs. By using pre-made dough, these are easy to make anytime you need a pick-me-up. These beauties are covered with a homemade black sesame sugar glaze that's a beautiful shade of melancholy gray. A perfect color match to reflect your mood. It's not gonna look like it, but maybe, I mean, I'm hoping it'll taste fine. I don't know. It should be fine, right? But, I mean, here's what it's supposed to kind of look like. It won't look like that, but go working with what we got. All right, and let's see what this says here. Since these donuts are so simple to make, take a little bit of time to focus on the toppings. Replace the black sesame seeds with cocoa powder for a... What is this word? Lucius? Malfoy? For a chocolate lacquer. Or leave out both if you're boring. And would rather have plain vanilla icing. Add sprinkles on top or a few chopped nuts to add some crunch. Even better, fill her up, slice the donuts in half and serve them with ice cream or fresh berries. Ooh, okay. But for the laziest, no frills, gotta have a donut right now snack, just dust them with confectioner sugar and leave it at that. Respect, I could respect it. Okay, I mean, okay, so they offered different toppings, so we're already fine. Okay, so I didn't look ahead at this recipe at all, it looks like, but we're gonna work with what we got. I don't know, let me check. I've got hearts and stars. Do you think that'll work? I don't know, it might be too big. But how would I make them small? Wait, what can I can use like a cup or something. Okay, hear me out. What if I use like this? It's kind of small. Maybe I need something smaller. Shoot. What can I use? Maybe I can use like, maybe I can use like the outside of the cup. Do you think that's donut size? I don't actually eat enough donuts. I can use this and then I can use the inside for the donut hole. Do you think that would work? It's kind of short. I don't know. I might be able to make it work. I don't know. We're gonna try it. All right, and here are all of the ingredients. Yeah, that's not a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 6 things. Wow. Okay. Okay, so now that we have everything all gathered, it doesn't look like that I have a lot to do, but I also just am not sure how cutting the donuts is going to work out. But I mean, I should have thought about that ahead of time, but now we're just working with what we got. I mean, the point of them is supposed to be like super simple and like straight to the point, especially since the fact that like we're having like, the biscuits already made or like using biscuit dough. It should be fine. Like, if anything, it'll just be fried and glaze and call it a day. I don't know. I don't know. What do you think, baby? Yeah. She's so cute. It seems like the hardest part is making the glaze, so that should be easy enough. I don't know. I'm just kind of scared I'm jinxing it if I say it's easy. I don't know. We're already off to a bad start. I don't know. It should be fine. It should work out. I don't know. Do you guys think it's gonna work out? Let me know down in the comments. It was weird, wasn't it? I want to see how long this ends up taking as well, since it is more on the simpler side. So we're starting this at around 3:41 p.m. and let's see how long it takes. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we have to do. To make the glaze, in a dry skillet over medium-high heat, toast the sesame seeds for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Use a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder until it becomes powder-like. I don't have a mortar and pestle and I don't really have a spice grinder, so I'm just gonna put them in a bag and beat them up with my rolling pin. That should be good, right? It's pretty hot. I don't know. Let's see if it works or if it melts. And if it melts, I'll just have to go get more sesame seeds and try this again later. Because this is the last of them that I have. The bag opened. There is a hole. The plan didn't work. Oh god, I got some of the vanilla everywhere. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, so that didn't work. So mess. Oh, I have an idea. Is this overkill? Perhaps. But if it gets the job done, it gets the job done. Well, it's pretty powdery to me. Yeah, right. We got it. Oh god. A little bit of overkill. It's fine. In a small bowl, stir together the confectioner's sugar and black sesame seed powder, milk, and vanilla. Set aside. Peel in direction of arrow to remove label. Press spoon on seam. Twist can to open. Okay. Okay, I guess that works. To make the donuts, place the biscuits on a cutting board and use a 1-inch round cutter to cut holes from the middle of each biscuit. I don't think it would work out though, because it's not that thick. No, it is not.
I mean, you can use it to like start it, and then you like get like a butter knife, and then kind of finish it off with the butter knife.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. These are not in the middle. I don't know what a middle is. What is a middle?
Not left or right.
Okay.
Or up or down.
Thank you. You're so helpful. Wait, I can just do it! Hold on. Okay, maybe not.
You can probably get like halfway there at the very least, and then yeah, just finish the rest off with the butter knife.
Yeah. I'm squishing like the other half. Fucking whatever.
I mean, it'll be fine.
It'll be fine. And the best part about this is I was indeed craving sweets. And I'm just making them with these hands. Even though the dough was already made, the hardest part was done. We won't focus on it, it's already done. Sure, look, good enough. Good enough. In a Dutch oven, heat the oil to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the donuts in holes for 1 to 2 minutes on each side until golden brown. Transfer to a wire rack and let cool. Dip the donuts on the glaze and place back into the wire rack and let the excess glaze drip off. Once the glaze has been set about 20 minutes, the donuts are ready to serve. I'm gonna do this entire thing just because it like broke apart in the middle. Look. So it'll just go on top. Oh my god, okay. This might have been a bad idea. I was trying to be funny. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's falling apart. Okay. Bad idea. They look. Some of them look okay. Some of them do not. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. Some of them look pretty good, like these three only. And then I squished it. Yep, squished that one too. We saw what happened with that one. And some of these look okay. And here is the reveal. They look like donuts, dude. Ignore those. Oh my god. Dude, they look like donuts. What do you mean? Oh my god. They look like I went to the donut store. I didn't. I made them, kind of. Store-bought. These hands. Oh my god. Okay. Look, which one do you want to try?
Doesn't matter which one you want to try.
I don't know. They look like donuts, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
They're good.
Yeah. Does it taste like a donut?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it looks like. That's a fucking donut.
Mm-hmm. Are you happy?
Mm-hmm. I'll give that away.
No, I'll guess.
You're a good guesser. Thanks for trying it. Dude, duh. Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Duh. Wow. And it tastes like a donut. Look at it, it's so flaky. And the biscuits and the wow. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I hate how messy it was, but like, oh my god, and that wasn't that bad either. It's 5:07. I would have finished this earlier, but I heated the oil too hot and it was like smoking. My bad. Did not record that. So I'll just tell you about it. You guys would have never even known if I didn't tell you, but I tell on myself all the time, so that happened. But it ended up working out. And then I was worried because of like, you know, it was flaky and it was like falling apart on some donuts and I don't know, bro. But here we are. It ended up working out. It tastes delicious and I'm very, 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 very happy with the result. Oh my god. And I was also craving something sweet and this is hitting the spot. Oh my god. I don't know how it would have tasted any different with the black sesame. I think it has like a nuttier flavor is what I read. Unless I misread that, please correct me in the comments down below. But oh my god, we did it! And the crowd goes wild. It's me, I'm going wild. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Wow. It was so low effort. Like, I mean, besides the slight panic of I thought the fire alarm was gonna go off. It was a little smoky in here, but we got it all ventilated. It didn't take too long. And plus it gave me a chance to clean. So the mess is also not that bad. I wasn't getting overstimulated with how sticky with the sugar and stuff. So it all just worked out. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm just so happy with the results. Wow, so cool. So if you have this cookbook, I highly recommend trying it out and making it. I didn't realize, I really didn't realize that you could just make donuts with biscuits. That makes sense. You know what? That makes sense. I'm a little upset that it did break apart a little bit, but honestly, it's still gonna taste good. So it's all for aesthetic purposes, but some of them look aesthetic. Some of them Looked aesthetic. Isn't that exciting? Isn't that aesthetic exciting? No, I couldn't make it work. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. How did you guys think it was going to turn out? Would you guys try making these? Do you guys like donuts? Do you guys have a favorite donut? My favorite donut is actually those like cream-filled ones, like the long ones. Those are good. I really like those. But also donuts that I make, I like this. I'm a really big fan of the icing. I don't know. I thought the icing tasted super good. Like, I think it complements it very well. So, but it's also icing on a donut. So I don't know. I'm pretty biased on it. I'm a big fan. 2 thumbs up. 10 fingers, 10 out of 10. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. It took a little longer, but that was just due to me messing it up a little bit, but it didn't burn. They cooked. Woohoo! But anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. What did you guys think of this video? I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Or not, I don't know, you're in charge of yourself. Anyway, bye! Hello. Use baby to baby. Use baby to baby. Anyway, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so she's so cute. Are you done? Are you done? But yeah, now I'm here, held captive, petting her until she gets overstimulated and leaves. Are you done? Okay. Hold on. Let me free you. Oh, let me free you. There you go.